Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Pooja Narang's physics classes. In this video, we will discuss about CSIR net exam. CSIR net or simply net we can say. So, CSIR net. CSIR. What is CSIR? It is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. So, this council organizes net exam. Now, what is net here? Net means National Eligibility Test. For what this test decide your eligibility, we will discuss in this video further. So now, in this slide, I have just told you full form of NET is National Eligibility Test. So, what is eligibility criteria for your NET exam? Means नेट में अपीयर होने के लिए आपके पास क्या होना चाहिए, कौन सी डिग्री होनी चाहिए. फॉर appearing in NET exam, you must have a master's degree or a degree equivalent to it with the relevant subject, and the percentage should be minimum 55%. And for SC, ST, OBC, NCL and PWD candidates, there is a relaxation of 50%. Means if you have 55% in master's degree, only then you can appear in this exam. Now, we must also know that only bona fide Indian citizens are eligible for this test. इंडिया के जो लोग हैं वही इस टेस्ट के लिए एलिजिबल हैं. And the next thing is joint CSIR UGC NET fellowships are tenable only in India. Means if you clear this exam and you win a scholarship, this scholarship is only tenable or only will be given to you only in India. And the validity we will discuss later. Now, there is one more information that if you have master's degree, it's okay. But if you don't have, means if you are in the final year of master's degree, means अगर आप final year में है master's degree के, even then you can appear in the same exam. And if your result is awaited, it's okay. But within 2 years of the result, you have to submit that certificate that you have passed out it. Now, whenever the result is declared, what is the result here? Means आप जो नेट क्वालिफाई करेंगे वो कैसे करेंगे और किस बेसिस पे करेंगे, एक्चुअली क्या मीनिंग रहेगा उसका. Then there will be 3 criteria of the result. Category 1, Category 2 and Category 3. In the Category 1, you are called JRF qualified. In this, you will be said like आपका JRF clear हुआ है in simple language. तो award of JRF and appointment as assistant professor means आप apply कर सकते हैं JRF के लिए, junior research fellow के लिए, assistant professor के लिए and PhD में एडमिशन लेने के लिए भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. मीन्स यू आर एलिजिबल देयर. नाउ इफ यू आर इन कैटेगरी 2 मीन्स आपका सिर्फ नेट क्वालिफाई हुआ है, यू आर नॉट JRF, यू आर नेट क्वालिफाइड. इन दैट केस आप JRF के लिए एलिजिबल नहीं है, यू विल नॉट गेट एनी स्कॉलरशिप, बट you can apply for the post of assistant professor and also you can apply for admission in PhD. Next category is category number 3. In this category, you can apply only for PhD admission, but you are not applicable or you are not eligible for the JRF exam or eligible for assistant professor exam. All these 3 categories, and this result will be declared from this year, June 2024 only. इससे पहले सिर्फ 2 ही categories थी, JRF and assistant professor. Now, here are 3 important points you must know. The JRF qualified candidates are admitted into PhD program based on the interview as per UGC regulation 2022. आप JRF qualify करते हैं means if you are in category 1, in that case आपका admission हो सकता है PhD program में, and then category 2 and category 3 उनका यूज सिर्फ हो सकता है पीएचडी एडमिशन में एंड फॉर अप्लाइंग फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर. For the candidates qualified under the category 2 and category 3, the marks obtained in the net will have 70% weightage. Means net के marks आपके लिए सिर्फ 70% weightage रखेंगे and 30% will be based on the performance in the interview. 30% marks आपके interview विवा वॉइस के रहेंगे जो कि आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी कंडक्ट करेगी या जैसे भी उनके रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस रहेंगे. Now, let's go for age limit. For assistant professor, there is no upper age limit for applying in joint CSIR UGC NET. And for admission to PhD, there is no upper age limit given. And for JRF, not more than 30 years. JRF के लिए age limit है 30 years and जो कैटेगरीज हैं लाइक ओबीसी, एनसीएल, एससी, एसटी, पीडब्ल्यूडी, थर्ड जेंडर एंड वुमेन एप्लीकेंट्स आर बेनिफिटेड हियर. मींस दे हैव द रिलैक्सेशन अप टू 5 years. मीन 35 years तक जो वुमेन है वो अप्लाई कर सकती हैं जीआरएफ के लिए. एंड अदर कैटेगरीज ऑल्सो. कैटेगरीज मीन्स that are reserved like OBC, NCL, SC, ST, PWD, third gender. Now, what is the benefit of getting JRF? The category 1, category 2, category 3, three categories are there. What is the benefit of qualifying the exam in category 1? If you get clear in category 1, it means you will be appointed as GRF. You can be appointed actually. It's your wish. You are applying or not, you can be appointed as GRF and you will get a scholarship of 37,000. For this only students want to clear that exam in category 1. And this 37,000 per month is for the first 2 years. And annual contingent grant, an additional grant of 20,000 is also given directly to the fellow. And when 2 years of JRF are completed, you are converted into SRF. And also, if you are in PhD, then you will get a scholarship of 42,000 per month for the third and subsequent years. Means third, fourth, fifth, 2-3 साल और जितना आप रहेंगे, you will get a scholarship of 42,000 per year. Now, this is some information you can read, but there is no such requirement. I have already told you. Now, what would be the exam pattern? Exam pattern देखिए यहाँ पर क्या है. सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए है. सबसे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए which subjects are under CSIR net. Under CSIR net, we generally have sciences like chemical science, earth science, atmospheric, ocean and planetary sciences, life sciences, mathematical science, physical science. These 5 subjects. Okay. Now, for chemical sciences, you can see that pattern, part A, part B, part C. There will be 3 parts and total questions will be 20, 40 and 60 in each part and total there would be 120 questions. Out of 20, you have to attempt 15, out of 40, 35, out of 60, 25 and the total you have to answer only 75 questions. The total marks would be 200 and there would be negative marking for each part 25%. Means अगर आपका क्वेश्चन 2 marks का था, जैसा कि मैंने बताया पार्ट ए में 2 marks का क्वेश्चन होगा, then you will get negative point as if you wrong your question then it 0.5 marks means 1/4 of 2 will be deducted. And now in this part B, the question again will be of 2 marks. And if you wrong that question, if you take incorrect answer in that question, you will also get minus 0.5. And for part C, each question will be of 4 marks and there will be negative marking of 1 mark, means 1/4 of 4. Now, it is about earth, atmospheric, ocean and planetary sciences. ये एक ही subject है. Here again you will get 20 questions in part A, but in part B you will get 50 and in part C you will get 80. Total paper 200 marks का ही रहेगा, but attemptable questions जो हैं देखिए, here we again get 75 Part A, each question 2 marks. Part B, each question 2 marks. Part C, each question 4 marks. And negative marking pattern has changed here. It is for part A and part B 25% and for part C it is 33%. Now life sciences. Life sciences again, part A 20 questions, part B 50 questions, but part C 75 questions. Each question 2 marks, part A 2 marks, part B 4 marks, part C. आपको अटेम्प्ट करने हैं पार्ट ए में से 15, पार्ट बी में से 35, पार्ट सी में से 25. नाउ इट इज टोटल ऑफ 75. परसेंटेज ऑफ नेगेटिव मार्किंग इज 25%. मीन्स अगर आपका 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग होता है आपके 0.5 मार्क्स डिडक्ट भी होंगे. नाउ सेम वे फॉर पार्ट बी एंड पार्ट सी 4 marks per question, then negative marking will be of 1 mark, 1/4 of 4. Now, mathematical sciences, you can see here pattern. It is very easy to understand, जैसा कि मैंने आपको समझा दिया है in the previous subjects. Now it is physical science. Part A 20 questions, Part B 25 questions, Part C 30 questions, and total questions only 75. Maximum number of questions to attempt: Part A 15, Part B 20, Part C 20, and total 55 questions you can attempt. Total marks will be 200 and negative marking will be of 25% per question. Now this I have told you about CSIR net, but look here, only 5 subjects are here: chemical sciences, earth, life, mathematical, physical science. But what about other subjects like English, Hindi, Sanskrit, and other subjects? Those net are called UGC net, and in that exam you will not get any negative marking, so they are considered easy. So guys, in the next video I'll try to tell you how to clear that exam, how to clear CSIR net exam. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.